This woman here will soon learn if she will spend the rest of her life in prison for killing an Osceola County mother. Ishnar Lopez is now on trial, accused of being the ringleader in a murder-for-hire plot gone wrong in 2018. WESH 2's Christina Watkins is joining us live from outside the Osceola County Courthouse. And Christina, witnesses' testimony lasted most of the day.
Yeah, Michelle, in fact, we just stepped out of the courtroom about 45 minutes ago. We heard from several people today who took the stand, including loved ones and also law enforcement officers. So, of course, a jury listened to all of that witness testimony very carefully, and they got the chance to watch surveillance video because they are the ones working to decide if Ishnar Lopez should spend the rest of her life in prison. She's accused of leading a botched murder-for-hire plot in 2018, which led to the death of Janice Zingotita Torres. She was a mother who detectives said had no ties or any connection to this. Osceola County deputies said she was leaving work when a group put a bag over her head, kidnapped her, beat her, and then killed her. Today in court, the testimony that caused a little bit of back and forth was from the chief medical examiner for Osceola and Orange Counties, Dr. Joshua Stephanie. He said based on his expert opinion, this was a homicide, but the defense argued against discussing this in front of the jury because Dr. Stephanie did not perform the autopsy himself. However, after about 30 minutes of going back and forth, the judge overruled the defense's argument and then allowed the state to show pictures to the jury of the victim detailing her injuries.
What is your opinion as to the cause of death in this case?
The cause of death would be asphyxia due to smothering.
You didn't take a single one of these pictures, did you, sir?
I did not.
You wrote no reports from the original event, did you, sir?
I did not.
So detectives said Lopez was looking for a woman who she thought knew something about a man she had a crush on. She's accused of convincing two other people to help her find that woman, but they ended up getting the wrong person. As for those other two people accused to be involved in all of this, a jury already found one person guilty of those crimes. The second person pleaded no contest. Lopez's trial is expected to pick back up tomorrow morning right here inside of the Osceola County Courthouse. Reporting from Kissimmee, Christina Watkins, WESH 2 News.